Hi, my name is Mihaela. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 4.4 or 5.0, especially before performing an update. Very important to know is that for previously deployed flows, where SecureTransport is receiving implicit SSL with an implicit acknowledgement client communication profile, after redeployment, the transfer execution may fail if SecureTransport cannot validate the partner certificate. You can find more information in how to overcome this in the description below. Some of the most important fixes in this release are: hybrid flows failed at deployment when having the first target a CFT application with PESIT. We fixed RPM unusable terminal issue after using the stop command. And on the SecureTransport plugin, there was an incorrect deployment error when deploying a flow with same participant as source and target. These are the most important fixes that were addressed in this release. For a complete list of fixes and product enhancements, you can check the release notes in the description below. The first new feature delivered this month is clone subscription. To help you speed up flow creation when there are only very few differences between flows, we now offer the possibility to clone subscriptions. You can now clone a subscription from a pattern or from a template. The clone button can be found in the main menu between Force Delete and Import buttons. A new subscription page opens when cloning, displaying all pre-filled data that comes from the original subscription. Unique fields such as subscription name, flow name, and PESIT identifier are prefixed by the word clone. We've improved the user interface to display all nodes in a Transfer CFT cluster and their status on the product detail view for multi-node and multi-host instances. The global Transfer CFT status correlates with the status per node. If all nodes are started, the product is started. If all nodes are stopped, the product is stopped. And if at least one node is stopped, the product is partially started. Another exciting news is that we've added support for the connection type service principal with the Azure Blob Storage connector version 2.1.0 or higher. The embedded Flow Manager RPM bridge can be useful for unidirectional Flow Manager to transfer CFT communications where secure policy requires a limited number of open ports between the two networks. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.